Hi, in this video, we will quickly overview Pentair IntelliBrite 5G White Underwater LED Pool Light 120V 300W 50-foot cord. Pentair IntelliBrite 5G White LED pool lights provide the most energy-efficient lighting ever. They use much less electricity than incandescent and halogen pool lights. Superior lens geometry and exclusive reflector design can be adjusted to create a standard, wider beam, or a narrower pattern, depending on your pool's needs. This product is also compatible with Pentair stainless steel and plastic niches. Features: energy efficient, superior lens geometry, and exclusive reflector design. Available in 120V, 300W equivalent. Read the instructions before installation and use. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.